Do you have a special skill? Can you teach people about your special skill? If you do, then thousands of dollars are waiting for you, if not millions. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a website that you can share your tutorial videos on and you get paid for it. Now, all you have to do is this website is to just make a video like this one you are watching, share it with people that wants to learn about your skill or whatever you want to teach them about, and you'll be making money. Now, this website is also like YouTube, but the difference is you don't upload entertainment videos, movies, comedies into this website. All you upload is tutorials on educational videos. That is all. But this website pay better than YouTube. This website does not give you terms and conditions, which means you don't have to hit 1,000k subscriber, or you don't have to hit the 4,000 watch hour for you to start getting paid. Immediately you upload your videos and people are watching your video, you will get payment. Cool. I love this website. I'm using it, and of course you can use it as well. I'm going to take you guys in the website. Alright guys, I want you to bring out your phone or your computer right now and go to Google and type in SkIllShare.com, www.skillshare.com. That is the website, and it's going to take you to a place that looks exactly just like this one. Okay, so we are going to soon get perspective of what this website is all about. As you can see, I want you to take note of this. This is a woman that is teaching right now. This is a man that is filming right now. This is a lady too that this is another woman that wants to teach as well. All of these are video, and you can watch them. So I just want you guys to be looking at it. Okay, so this is it. So guys, this is it, and as you can see in the video, they are trying to teach you something. Plants at home, uplift your spirit and your space. So this one is trying to teach you about plants right now. So yeah, this right here is trying to teach you on how to use camera photography, and how to snap good pictures, real productivity, how to build your habits that last. So this guy here is teaching you productivity habits, and his name right now is Thomas Frank. So guys, this is it. Design your personal logo, make your mark with letter art. And so guys, there is so much. This man right here is teaching you on how to design your logo. So now I want you guys to let us go in and of course get perspective on what this website is talking about. So look at what you can learn here: entrepreneurship, freelancing, leadership, marketing, productivity, craft, gaming, health and wellness, languages, data science, game design, mobile development. So guys, there are so many things: illustration, photography, graphic design, so much more. You can learn so much more. So guys, I want you guys to click on becoming a teacher. But before we do that, to sign in this website, you can get this website from your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. These are the two ways to get this website. So it's available if you are using an iPhone, it's available, and if you are using an Android, it's also available. All you need to sign in this website, you can use your Google address, which is your email address, or your Facebook or your Apple address. So you can use any of those three. You understand? So it's not very difficult. And of course, with this website, they can pay directly to your bank account, or you can send them your PayPal address if you have one. So that is it. Now this is a teacher, so this is also a teacher, and this is also a teacher. So it depends on you and what you are looking for. So guys, that is it. Now this is the teacher website right now. Look at what the teacher design. He's a designer and a founder. Okay, and look at his company right there, and he has 88,786 people following him. You understand? So this is it. This is how the website look like. And of course, look at what he shared about himself. That means if you want to know if this guy is the right man for you, you have to just go through all of this right now, so that you can be able to tell if he's going to be able to teach you the things that you want to learn. So guys, if you want to start earning money from this website, I want you to click on becoming a teacher. Now it's going to take you to a website like this, a page like this. So guys, let us get perspective of what this society is talking about. Now, inspire creativity in others. Teach on SkIllShare and share your passion with members around the world. Okay, so this is talking about you sharing your passion, whatever that it is. Now I want you to know that whatever skill that you have within you, a lot of people are looking forward to learning that skill. And if you can make a video about it, telling them how to learn the skill, teaching them how to learn the skill, because in SkIllShare, you have your own members, you have your own students. These students do not, go to other teachers to learn from them. You have a particular student that is learning the skill from you. So it's an online platform to learn skill. And what you do here is to make tutorial video and upload it for your students. And when you leave the video there, they ask questions, leaving comments, and you answer your students, teaching them well. Now, those students are going to rate your performance for you. They're going to tell you if they had a good time learning. If you're a bad teacher, if you're a good teacher, they are going to rate you. So you have to make a very good video, okay, and be able to answer their question if they ever ask you any. So let's read on. When you help others along their creativity journey, it's rewarding in more ways than one. By teaching on SkIllShare, you can grow your online following, give back, and earn money. Top earning teacher make up to 100,000 USD each year. Wow. A teacher from this site can make up to 100 USD. Okay, now this is it. You don't have to make entertainment video. You don't have to say, oh my god, what can I do to entertain people right now? You can just teach people on your skill and you'll be earning so much money. With this website, you'll be able to earn 10 USD monthly, and that is a whole lot of money. So as you can see right now, this is a teacher. This is also another teacher. This is also another teacher. So yes, there are so many teachers. Like you see, all you have to do to become one is to first of all, if you want to learn more about this website, you can click on learn more. Film your SkIllShare class and publish it with our easy class upload tool. We provide help every step of the way, so you can learn. Click on learn more. There are millions of members learning on SkIllShare. We will grow you and show you how to build your presence in SkIllShare community and beyond. You can also click on learning more. Then of course, if you are ready to start, just click on the start earning button and you'll be making money teaching people about their skill. So I want you to come to this website if you're interested, and here are some frequent asked questions. You can just click on that. You can also click on what topic can I teach. Of course, the answers are here. And you can teach on so many things such as art, design, freelancing, entrepreneurship, lifestyle, productivity. There are a lot of more unique and specific skill expression within this feed. So these are the feed you can actually teach on in this website. If you are good at it, of course, then you shouldn't be wasting any much time. Just click on get started and that is it. So of course, you have projects with your students, and those projects is for you to know how far those students has come. Of course, if you are teaching a student, it is important for you to know if they are learning, especially if you are getting some kind of reward. You understand? So do you need to promote your classes? All of these are something that you have to just grow on your own. So this website actually helps you to promote your own videos. Okay, so it's actually very easy. If you are a YouTuber, then this is something that you can easily do, because you're already used to the camera, you're already used to publishing video, you're already used to editing video, you're already used to talking to people. So of course, this is something that you can easily do. Now guys, this is the website that I wanted to share with you guys today. If you find any sort of value in this video, then of course just hit the like button, and of course I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.